All right, this video will walk you through how to install the Google Sheets add-on called Route Matrix. We will do all of this from inside Google Sheets. It doesn't matter what spreadsheet you have open. You just come up to the extensions menu, go to add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will bring you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. And in the search box, you can type in Route Matrix. It comes up right here. You can see it. We'll click on that. It will give you the choice between an admin install and an individual install. Unless you're working for a company, you want to choose the individual install. We'll click on that. It wants you to verify what Google account you want to use this with. Click Continue. And then it needs permission to view and manage the spreadsheets, because that's where we'll get the locations to create the matrix. And then it will save your user data in another Google database. But all of it is secure. It's not shared with anyone. So we'll click Allow. Spreadsheet thinks about it for a second, gets it done. We'll select Done on that window. And you can see in the side panel is the Route Matrix icon. If you're not seeing the side panel at all, make sure that this toggle is set to show the side panel. We'll come up, we'll click on the icon that says Route Matrix, and then you're ready to go. So if you want to see a video about how to use the Route Matrix add-on, that's on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.